Hey guys, CrazyToys here, and today we have our super cool candy grabber machine. And again, we are not alone, we are today with George from Peppa Pig and also Cookie Monster. So I think today we do have some surprise eggs inside the candy machine. So let's try to grab the first one. No! Okay, again, try it again. Sometimes it's really difficult, you know. Okay, much. Now we lost it again. This is not my lucky day. Okay. Okay, I think now we have the surprise egg. Cool. So come on, and yay, we got it. Super awesome. What do you think, George? Yeah, George is also excited again. Oh, what's this? I don't know. I think... Oh, this looks difficult. But let's have a look. I think it's a soccer player. Magic Sports, yeah, I think it's a soccer player. Awesome. Okay, I think we have to assemble this. Well, let's give it a shot. I remember we had a similar toy a couple of days ago, and when I'm right, I wasn't able to finish it because it was very difficult, but maybe today we can complete this toy. Well, let's have a look. So I must admit I don't like this one. I think you guys at home, you have more tiny, smaller fingers than me, and it's much more easier for you. But it's really hard. Nah. Okay, the head. Oh no, we lost the head again. Okay, let's give it one more try. And after this try, I will skip and go on to the next surprise egg. That's cool. Okay, the arms and the head again, and this looks not good. Oh no. Oh no. I think now everything fall apart again. Okay, George, what do you think? Skip this one, go on to the next. So guys, what do you think? Have you already had some kind of surprise eggs which you couldn't assemble? Or am I the only one? So let me know in the comments. What's your experience? I think sometimes it's really difficult to put it together. But I'm really curious about your experience. Well, I think by now we have another surprise egg. And let's have a look. I think, yes, this looks like some kind of car, I think, yep. And I think we got a Hot Wheel. Oh man, this is awesome, Hot Wheel. I love Hot Wheels. But again, we have to put it together, and in this case it's much more easier. So, I like the Hot Wheel, and if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe to CrazyToys, and then we will see us again next time when we unbox some surprise eggs. Bye bye!